Yamaha will power Caterham's lightweight
What
sports
was
car.
very interesting
The
with Project
rear-wheel
V
drive
is that
electric
we
coupe
really start
will fight the next
from
Porsche
zero.
Cayman.
For a car designer,
Caterham Project
it's
V
amazing
electric
because you
coupe.
can really
Remember
think
the
of the whole
Caterham
concept
Project
without
V.
constraint at the
It
beginning.
debuted last year at
The
Goodwood
main idea
Festival of
was to
Speed
say,
as a
okay,
concept
what
car built by
Caterham
Italdesign
stands
with an
for,
impressively low curb weight of
simplicity, lightness, and fun to
2,623
drive.
pounds. It was more than just a one-and-done exercise since the British niche marque has real plans to launch a production model. The concept is now evolving into a prototype engineered by Japanese firm Tokyo R&D. It should be completed by the middle of next year, with series production expected to commence at some point in 2026. Caterham doesn't go into details about Yamaha's electric motor, but will remind you the Project V was rear-wheel drive with 268 horsepower on tap. The showcar from Goodwood had a 2+1 layout, but an optional 2+2 configuration was mentioned. Caterham touted a 0 to 62 miles per hour in less than 4 seconds and a top speed of 143 miles per hour. The Coupe's 55 kWh lithium-ion battery had enough juice for 249 miles in the optimistic WLTP cycle. The concept supported DC charging at 150 kilowatts for a 20% to 80% charge in around 15 minutes. Because concepts are typically diamonds in the rough, Caterham borrowed bits and pieces from other cars to speed up the Project V's development without compromising quality. Examples include Maserati seats and the Audi TT's door aperture. Some readily available parts will be installed in the road-going model to cut costs. Even though it never built its own car, Yamaha is no stranger to the automotive industry. It teased us with a Miata rival in the mid-2010s that never went into production. Going further back, it helped Toyota develop the 2000 GT in the 1960s before engineering and manufacturing Ford's V6 SHO and V8 SHO. Perhaps the most well-known effort in the car world was Yamaha's involvement in the Lexus LFA and its naturally aspirated V10. The list goes on with a V8 for Volvo as well as 4-cylinder engines for the Toyota Celica, MR2, and the Lotus Elise. There was also the pint-sized motive concept and the aborted 1992 OX99-11 supercar that was supposed to go into production a couple of years later with a roaring V12. Yamaha hasn't completely abandoned ICE technology. Recent efforts have included a golf cart and a buggy modified to run on a hydrogen-burning combustion engine.